This is it, man. This is what I walked 700 plus miles for.
Yeah. Got smoke from the fires in Canada.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's because I didn't even
There it is.
but my buddies in Colorado.
There it is. McAfee Knob. All right.
Like,
Got to go there.
Because all the smoke from Canada wildfires are coming down, and I looked it up. Yeah, this is all from Canada wildfires. Because it's been like this. It's been hazy the past week about.
Well, you know,
Wow, isn't that
I have family that lives in North Dakota, and my ex-wife up there was just commenting a couple of days ago how her and her dog both were hacking and coughing because of the smoke coming down from Canada.
There, for sure.
So all right, got to go out here. Yeah, but hey, the wind blows from west to east. This is it, man. This is McAfee Knob, and I'm gonna tell you something. People will walk all the way out to the far edge of this thing and take a seat. That will not be me. Oh my God. Wow. All right, I'm going to go one step further down, but trust me, I am not going within 10 feet of that edge. It's not going to happen. Well, maybe 5 feet. Holy crap. Look at this. I am standing on McAfee Knob. This is so freaking beautiful. Oh my God. Folks, this is straight freaking down. Oh shit. All right, I'm backing away now. And I'm going to take my camera back to Tater and let her get the picture of me up here. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I did a video too. Good deal. All right, so yeah, the kind of a finishing touch to my video coming up to this mountain. This is where I toss off all the ill feelings for the people in my life who have done crappy things to me, mainly the family members. You're out of my life. You're over the cliff. It's over. It's gone. And now I'm moving on down the trail, and I'm moving on in life. And yeah, let's get it. Let's get it going. Let's make this happen. All right, folks. We'll talk to you here in a little bit. So just past McAfee Knob. Look at this, man. I mean, you are on top of the world here. Look at this. That is absolutely beautiful. All right, we're out of here. So, probably 6.5 miles, 7 miles into the hike. We're ridge running right now. Right on the other side of that, straight down. Right here, straight down. So we're up on top of the ridge. Yeah, it's, look at this. Holy cow, look at this. This is awesome. This is awesome. I'll tell you something. Taking that short day yesterday, only doing 6 miles, and coming out here today doing 19, I feel so good. All right, we got to go that way. Look, they finally did a blaze correctly. Taking a right turn. All right, let's see what we got up here. Oh. Which way am I going? I don't know. The path looks like it goes this way, but I don't. You know what? I think it just loops around. Yes. Okay. Yeah. This is rock scrambling, folks. This is at a steep angle, and we're going up and up and up. Let's make it happen. All right. Love this. This is so much fun. This is so hard. I'm going to try to do this without my trekking poles. Hang on. Yeah, I'm going to try. Oops. Yeah. You may have to go face down against a rock every now and again, but I'm going to try it without my trekking poles. Give you a small taste of what it is we're doing out here sometimes. Yeah. Alrighty. Oh yeah. That would be straight down. Mountains off in the distance. And yeah, this is awesome. This is awesome. Where's Tater? Here she comes. Come on up. The view's great. Wow. I don't know if you can see it on the other side. Apparently that haze we're seeing is smoke coming down from Canada. That's pretty wild. That's a long way to travel. I know my family up in North Dakota was complaining about all the smoke coming out of Canada a couple days ago. So it's got down here. So all right, I'm gonna keep moving, and Tater will be along. She's down there taking pictures for herself. This is an easy rock scramble. It really is. Compared to what we did on Dragon's Tooth a couple days ago, I wished I would give anything if I could take video of us coming through that. That was sketchy. It was scary. It was challenging. It was tough. It was all those things, and it was fun. I had a blast. You just never know what your next step is going to bring when you get into a situation like that. And I mean, it's you put your foot down and you're hoping that foot is going to hold, and the tread on your shoes is going to hold for you to move your next foot. And you have to take your time. You have to be sure. And we did, and we were successful. I know that Just Try, her channel, Just Try Hikes, she's going to be doing that Dragon's Tooth today by herself. She's hiking with her daughter right now, but her daughter is slightly injured, and it's not a good idea for her daughter to try Dragon's Tooth. But so Just Try is going to be doing it on her own today. So I told her the same thing I told you guys, that it was hard, it was challenging, it was sketchy, it was scary, but it was fun. And I have no doubt she will do perfectly fine on it. And I look forward to seeing her down the trail a little bit. But okay, I don't want to get too far ahead of Tater today. She's had a rough day already. She fell once going up to McAfee Knob and landed on her knees. So she's okay, no injury. She just washed her pants yesterday, and now they're muddy and dirty again where she bit the dust. And then coming away from McAfee Knob, she did a face plant. She hit a damn root that had a hook on it. It grabbed her toe and just slung her right to the ground, face first. She's okay, but she blamed it on me. I get to blame for everything, right, Deb? Something goes wrong, I get the blame. It's my fault. Okay, I can handle it. For my part, I'm having a great day. I have released a lot of pent-up frustration and pressure that's been on me for years. And I let it go. And right now I'm floating on air. I feel like I can just run up. Matter of fact, a little while ago I was running uphill. I feel invigorated. I feel good. I feel the best I have felt in years. My life is in a place where I am now very happy, very content, and I owe it to a lot of people. My new friends out here, my ability to cope with things that are difficult. But you know, when I think of, well, I keep going back to my buddy Ninja. You know, he pointed out to me on a couple of occasions that I can get wound up pretty tight. Anybody who knows me knows I can get wound up. But when I'm positive, that's when I'm at my best. And right now, I am at my best. I feel fantastic. This 19 miles today, yeah, 19 miles. Give me a break. That ain't nothing. I got that. That's a piece of cake. You know, even 2 weeks ago, I couldn't be going up this hill I'm going up right now without my trekking poles. I'm cruising up this sucker. Cruising up it. I'm barely winded. Doing what we did yesterday and splitting this 2-day run into a 6-mile and a 19-mile day was perfect. Coming off of Dragon's Tooth, day before yesterday, we got good rest yesterday. Our bodies, our minds. Got on this trail today. We're pumped, man. I know I am. I'm excited. I'm so excited to see Stephanie and Cole tonight. I hope. Well, I mean, there's part of me, honestly, that's hoping they're gone. Because if they are, that means she got better. But then there's another part of me that hopes that they're still there and I can get hooked back up with them again. And yeah, that would be awesome. And I brought a new addition to the family, to the tramily. And I'm happy. All right, too much joy is gonna piss people off, so I'm gonna shut up for a little while. And doggone it, I did it again. I got this thing on 2x zoom, and it's herky-jerky all over the place. Let me try that. I bet that's a lot better for you guys. Sorry about that. It's been on, oh good Lord, 9 minutes. Yeah, this is gonna be a long video, folks. I'm sorry, but there's lots of places you can fast forward through it. So do what you got to do. We have another event coming up shortly. It's called Tinker Cliffs, and if I remember correctly from videos I watched last year, we will actually be walking along cliffside. And I remember when I watched it on other people's videos, I'm like, oh shit, they're like really close to the edge of that cliff. And I got nervous for them. So, you know what? I'm ready for it. I have hiked 700 miles. And if this is the cliffs I think it is, I'm excited to get there. I'm excited to conquer the cliffs. At this point, there is nothing this trail can throw at me. Uh-oh, did I just do a bad thing? No, okay. All right, for a minute there, I thought I walked and brushed up against some poison ivy. It was not. Yeah, you know what? This is, I'm excited. I want to walk along these cliffs. And if it's the one I'm thinking of, there's big boulders in the middle of the path that force you out along the edge. And, you know, you're, at least the way it looks on videos, it looks like you're really, really, really close to the edge. But we'll see when we get there. I got to turn this off, man. Way too much time. Talk to y'all in a bit. All right. I think we're getting close to Tinker Cliffs. I'm not sure if this is it or not. We're going to find out. But it's pretty cool. There's some big ass rocks. I know we're getting close. We're within 1 or 2 tenths of a mile of the cliff. So I'm thinking with all these big rocks popping up, it's got to be close. Let's see what we can find. Holy cow, look at this. Well, I don't want to go that way. I want to go under the big rock. I got to go under the big rock for a minute. What a great place this would be to camp. How cool is this? This is awesome. All right. Looks like we're gonna probably get to do some more boulder scrambling here. Let's see what we got. I have no idea which way to go. Okay, must be up this way. Yeah. Oh. I think we're getting there. This looks like a wide open area on top of rocks, so I'm guessing this is the cliffs up here. Oh yeah. Holy cow. Oh my. Oh my. Holy cow. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Folks, head straight down. Holy crap. All right, I'm going to get away from this edge of this cliff. Yeah, that's some pretty amazing stuff there. I don't know where Tater went. I thought she was right behind me, but I don't see her back there. Did she get ahead of me when I went under the big rock? I don't know. Let's go find out. Hello, hello. How are y'all doing? Hey, that's my people. Did a lady just pass by here?
If she did, we missed her.
Okay. She was behind me, and now she's not behind me. I don't know where she went.
Sorry. They're facing this way.
Holy cow! Look at this. This is amazing. And look who I run into again. Two Shoes and Giggles. Hey guys.
What's going on? How's the hike?
The hike is fantastic. Are you kidding me?
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. Oh my God.
If you look over there, that hump right there,
Uh-huh.
that's McAfee's Knob.
Already? We're already over here?
Uh-huh.
Holy cow.
It's wild.
Man, McAfee Knob was just incredible.
Mm-hmm.
That was incredible. This is freaking awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Are you talking about this one here?
Yeah, this hump.
You're joking.
According to Google Maps.
Holy cow.
I thought you were just being obnoxious.
Like normal?
Yes.
Nah, that's,
No
yeah.
way.
All right, so we have just stopped for lunch. I don't know if you can see behind me. We are on Tinker Cliffs, and just down from here, I ran into Two Shoes and Giggles, and had a chat with them. But we're getting ready to, and I'm going to turn this around real quick. Hang on a second. Yep, there's Tater with her Subway sandwich. I got my Subway sandwich. I got my potato chips. And that big knob you see over there, that big bulge straight in front of you, that's McAfee Knob. That's where we walked today so far. We've come across that entire ridge all the way over to Tinker Cliffs, which is, yeah, where we are now. All right, I'm going to have my lunch. See y'all in a bit. All right, this is Tinker Cliff. I'm going to let you guys view it on the camera. I will not. I am looking down at the ground because I'm right on the edge of this freaking cliff. And I don't care for the heights, but this is pretty spectacular. It'll be fun to watch the video later. That's amazing. Wow. Yeah, I'm cheating. I'm sneaking a peek over there every now and again. This would not be a good place to slip. That's for sure. Look. The turkey buzzard right there. What you doing, Mr. Turkey Buzzard? Huh? You just hanging out? Is that what you doing up here? Yeah. All right. We'll leave you to it. Yeah, folks, this is, and I kid you not, this is like within, a foot of a long fall down. I mean, that's it right there. That's the edge of the cliff. Yeah. Pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. All right. Okay, gotta follow the blazes. How y'all doing?
Good. How about you?
Doing great, doing great. Yeah. Look at that. That's crazy. All right. Working back off away from this cliff a little bit. Make me happy. Make everybody happy. Okay, I think that may be it for the big views. Let's go a little bit further and see what else we got up here. Yeah, I think I need to focus. We've got about 11 miles to go. It's noon right now, and we've got to hustle. So I'm gonna turn this off and focus on moving forward quickly. All right, so almost 12 miles into the day, come to a lookout, and yeah, that's straight down, folks. I ain't getting no closer. Yeah, let me back away from this thing a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. Yeah, I'll show you.
You never know who's gonna push you out.
Yeah, I was wondering how close you were.
Man, I was running. That was easy ground.
That was easy ground.
This is beautiful.
Look at this. This is one huge valley down here. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah, awesome. Tater had to stop at the last shelter to talk with somebody she saw way back on Newfound Gap, which is near Cleman's Dome, and she had
Shout out to Patriarch. We love
love him. It was so good to see him again.
There you go. There you go. So she had to run to catch up to me. But, rolling along. All right, we're over 14 miles in. And we got power poles, baby. There you go, Ninja. Woo. Yeah. All right. We are up here on top running this ridge. And we've got, I think, about 5 miles left. Maybe less, a little less than 5 miles left to go. Finish this day. I'm ready for the over. But look what we are hitting. Yeah. My favorite. But here's the thing, folks. These things, they don't mean nothing to me anymore. These new shoes, what rocks? Yeah, what rocks? Rocks don't mean crap to me anymore. I have found the solution. It's called a quality pair of shoes. Designed to walk on rocks. All right, yeah, let's stop. Yeah, how about this, huh? Wow, pretty cool. We got 4 miles left to finish off this 20-mile day. It's been quite a day. McAfee Knob, Tinker Cliffs, and yeah, them some damn big rocks there. Okay, yeah, that's where I'm going, folks. I got to put away the phone now. 17 miles into the day, and look what I found. Rocks in the lake and power lines. Yeah, look at this. And the tater. I thought I was going to be way ahead of you, girl. You're killing it. You're kicking my ass.
Marathon's almost over.
Yeah. Holy cow, look at that. That is so beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. All right, we got to go, man. We're under 3 miles left in this day. Ninja, this is just for you, buddy. That shit is massive, man. Look at that crap. Oh my God. That's crazy. Yeah, that's some stuff there, man. All right, we got 2 miles left to get to our end. It's time to hustle.